Yeah, jam. Poquito más. Poquito más? Thank you. What else?
Too much.
Not too much.
You cut it.
You're gonna cut the pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
With a knife.
Where is it?
Knife?
Mana dia? Itu dong.
Daddy, move. I will cut.
Okay.
Here. It's us. It's us on it.
Yeah. Can I have some of the rojo sauce?
Huh?
Can I have some of the rojo sauce?
Yeah. Sauce?
Yeah. The ketchup. Ketchup. Yeah. Poquito más? Thank you. How about the verde? Can I have some verde? Okay. Thank you. And how about the orange?
Yeah.
Just poquito.
Yeah.
Poquito orange. Yeah, thank you. Now just one dash of the purpulo. Purpulo?
Yeah. That one?
Yeah. Purpulo. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, can I have poquito más? Thank you. Okay. Now can I eat it? Or do you want to, did you already cut it?
I cut it.
You cut it? And where's the tomat?
Right there, tomat.
Okay. What color tomat?
Verde.
Verde. Okay.
Verde tomat.
Verde tomat. Y
And that's
rojo
mama.
tomat.
And that's mama.
Yum, 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 yum.
And that's mama.
That's from Mama?
Yeah.
Okay. What's on Mama's?
Uh,
What does Mama have on her pizza?
it's just with sauce on it.
Yeah,
With
sauce on.
on it.
Yeah. And queso?
Rojo queso.
Rojo queso.
That's rojo queso.
Okay. So it's not carne, eh?
And it's carne.
It's queso. Just so Mama knows, because she doesn't want to eat carne right now. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.